I was actually in this building. It was called the Tropics in 1979 in April when I decided that I was going to try and get a job here. I was working at the San Antonio Zoo and I got a job. I worked here for 38 years and had a great working relationship with a lot of people and companies and organizations in town, but none that really equaled what EB did for the zoo and the community. This original building was built by EB. It was the second building of its type in the entire United States. It's a challenging building because of the temperature requirements, humidity, light. And back in 2012, we started looking at redoing the roof, which needed it badly. And once we exposed the roof, discovered there was a lot more things that needed to be done. And we had a most incredible experience working with EB Construction. For one, not only the estimates, but the suggestions and methods and working with the architects and the zoo staff. We went straight from this project to the elephant project with EB, and that was the most, on one hand, the most stressful time for my professional career. One, getting the elephants. We had to get the exhibits designed, constructed, and finished before the elephants got here. That was all done with 2 months of grace period. And working with the entire team at EB was, throughout the thing, was just a fabulous experience. This is the first exhibit in the world that you can be in the same water with elephants on the pontoon boat. And they helped on the design and how to make the slope not slippery. They came up with the mechanism that did the cement work to keep the elephants from sliding in or be able to get out without slipping. And they went out of their way. They didn't have to do that part. One of the things that our zoo was always proud about was we felt that, you know, the cost-benefit ratio of everything we did, and that bleeded over into the construction projects, just to be smart on how we did it. And I can tell you that EB worked with us on that because they knew that every dollar was precious and, you know, it had been donated and trusted to us by donors throughout the community, how important it was. Nobody came close to the level of understanding what this zoo means to the community and the exhibit and the attention to detail and becoming the team member where everybody that worked on the job knew how important this was. We've never had that level before. And I think it was just the whole team leadership all the way on down, and it affected everybody. And I was so impressed with the professionalism, attention to detail, the work ethic, and so forth. That I mean, it was a comfort level that I had never had before.